So this is a very last recipe from the Chicken Club cookbook from 1953. And I just have to try this cake recipe. So in a bowl, we're going to cream together 1 cup of shortening, half teaspoon of orange extract, and a half teaspoon of lemon extract. My orange extract is a little bit thick there. I'm also going to add a cup of sugar. And we're also going to add a grated rind of an orange. So to this, and then we're going to cream it together. To our cream mixture, we're going to add 4 well-beaten egg yolks. And I'm going to make sure I got all those egg yolks out of there. So in a bowl, we want 3 cups of cake flour. We're going to sift, plus 5 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon. So at this point, it says to add diced pineapple to it and some coconut. I forgot the diced pineapple, y'all. I did. So, remember those egg whites? I stiffly beat them and did it by hand, mostly. And now we got to fold it into our batter. It says to bake this in a loaf pan, so I got my extra long loaf pan here, and I'm going to bake it at an hour for bake it for an hour at 350 degrees.